Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a different type of video. I've been contacted by these companies to make a video. I know before you click out of this and think this is a sponsored video, it sort of is, but isn't at the same time. I'm not really getting paid for this, but I did get some free clothes. You know, free things is always good. Anyway, so I've been contacted by these companies a few times. I was thinking about it and I couldn't find a good reason why I kept turning them down. To be honest with you, I could use some content to make videos on. So here we are today. So the first company, Cupshe, they contacted me a few times, and at first I didn't really want to make a video for them because I think back in the days they were only selling swimsuits and I wasn't really interested in making a swimsuit haul or anything like that. I mean, I live in Canada. I don't need another swimsuit, okay? It's like minus 30 outside. So I kept turning them down, and eventually they contacted me again. They sent me a link and they had clothes, like, you know, regular clothes. Sweaters, shirts, t-shirts, shoes, this and that. So that piqued my interest and I decided to make a video. The other company, Romwe, Romwe, where do they come up with these names? I'm sure you guys heard of them, and I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos. There's some that are good, some that are bad. So I wanted to try them for myself. They did have some cute stuff, so I decided to make a sweater weather type lookbook just because, like I said, I am in Canada, it is freezing, and I don't have my mic on. Wow. Hopefully any of this gets recorded. Oh man, it's so hard making videos, I'm telling you sometimes. Anyways, we're just gonna turn on the mic and keep it moving like nothing happened. I hope that you enjoyed this lookbook. I hope that you get some inspiration for your holidays. If you are interested in this makeup look, by the way, I did create it for the holidays. It should be up, or maybe it's coming up. Listen, it's filmed, okay? Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this weather lookbook, and I will see you in my next video.